Hello, friends. What happens if one unexpected hospital visit changed your entire year, not just emotionally but financially? In India today, even a simple surgery or a short hospital stay can cost you as high as up to 5 lakhs or more. So ask yourself, are you prepared to handle this? Welcome to Pocket Power. Today we talk about why smart people don't skip health insurance. Health insurance isn't just about protection, it's your peace of mind guaranteed. What you have to do is pay a small annual premium, and in return, your health insurer will cover the big bills, the hospital stays, surgeries, pre and post treatments, and even some OPD costs. It's like having a safety net under your life as well as your wallet. Why you need it? Absolutely. Yes, absolutely. Because medical inflation is real. Healthcare costs are rising almost 15% every year. And if you, God forbid, have a serious illness, it could cost you upwards of 5 to 10 lakh rupees. If you got an employer health cover, that's great. But it vanishes the moment you quit that job or retire. So please don't leave your health or money unprotected. You may ask, who should take it? Well, the short and simple answer is everyone. If you're in your 20s or 30s, start with a solid base plan plus a small top up. If you're married, go for a family floater. Add your spouse and kids to it. If you have parents, consider a senior citizen plan for them. And if you're in your 50s or 60s, pick plans that factor in pre-existing conditions and copay options. Different types of health insurance policies available in the market include individual plans, which is just for you, a family floater, which includes as many members of your family. Top up plan is for securing bigger emergencies. Critical illness cover may include diseases like cancer, heart ailments, and accident cover, of course, because life is unpredictable. How to choose the right plan would be your next question, right? The coverage amount could be to 10 to 15 lakhs if you stay in a metro. Check the hospital network, whether they offer cashless claims or not. Also, please check the waiting period of the policy, especially for pre-existing conditions if you or any of your family members have any. And also check the conditions relating to add-ons, room rent, daycare, etc. This isn't about buying the cheapest health plan. It is about buying the one that protects you when it matters the most. So go ahead and secure yourself, please, as per your age eligibility. Closing thoughts, smart people don't gamble with health emergencies. They plan, they protect, and they insure because peace of mind isn't optional, it's priceless. Thank you, friends, for watching Pocket Power. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.